Adam Fender, please come pick up your money. Alan Dixon, please come get your money. And Ron Safrat, please come get your money. All right, we got Scott Morris on the line. Let's hit the fort and do your fort pants out there with me. All 5 of you out there. Y'all let him know you're out there. I got a song for your fort pants here.